YouTube, what's going on? Kevin the Tech Ninja here, and today we're going to talk about smart bulbs. Smart bulbs are one of the most popular smart home items because they're pretty fun being able to change the colors and also the convenience of turning them off and on through your phone. Now, smart bulbs over the years have came down in price, but still are pretty expensive for a lot of people. Singlet is here to resolve that issue, giving you a smart bulb starting at $9.99 and all the way up to $25 for a multicolor bulb. Are these bulbs any good? Well, the short answer is yes. In this very short video, I'm going to show you how I use the bulbs and also the application built in to show you how it works and all the cool things you can do, and also how you can integrate it with a smart home service like Google Home or Amazon Echo. Hang on to your butts, boys and girls, and let's take a look. Before I begin this video, a big thanks to Singlet for sponsoring this video, but once again, all opinions are my own. These are bulbs from Singlet. If you don't know Singlet, they have tons of great smart home objects on the market, from bulbs to light strips, security cameras, and even speakers that doubles as a light. In today's video, we're taking a look at their smart bulb lineup. And a big thanks to Singlet for sponsoring this portion of the video and sending out these bulbs for me to show you. Let's take a look at this 2-pack. It comes with 2 multicolored bulbs and the hub. The hub gives you the ability to use their application no matter where you're at, and also lets you link it to the voice assistant of your choice. So if you have Amazon Echo or Google Home. So to get this set up, it's very simple. You plug in the hub and then install the application. You make an account and then you add your device and select your bulb. What you do is you now repeat this process depending on how many bulbs or other smart home objects you have from Singlet, and then once you're done, from there, you can then assign it to specific rooms. And you do all this under the Home tab. And you can also rename the lights, so you can name one light, lamp, one light kitchen, one light bedroom, anything you want to name it, you can do that right in the Home tab. So now you can make changes to the room all at once. So you just press off on the kitchen and then all your bulbs that you have assigned to the kitchen will turn off. Or if you actually select the room, you can then see all your bulbs from that room and then make changes per bulb. Once you're inside the bulb, you just have some simple options like dimming and turn off and on. But if you have a colored bulb, then you have a color wheel, and this will allow you to select what color you want the bulb. You have millions of different color options and variations, and you can just even tap on the color temperature too to get a nice temperature without going through the wheel. So if you want a cool room, you can do that, or you want something that looks a little bit warm, you can do that too. Inside the bulb, you can also set up schedules per bulb. So if I want this bulb to turn off at a certain time or turn on at a certain time, I can do that here in the schedules. I can also go over to scenes, and what a scene is allows you to do multiple actions in one button press. So for example, I can say, turn off the kitchen light, turn off the bedroom light, but turn on the lamp downstairs. And I can do that in scenes. And to launch a scene, I can do it with my voice with the assistant, or I can even just tap on a button and then the scene takes place. So it's really nice to set up some automation right inside the application without having to know any type of crazy coding or anything like that. You literally just tap to select what you want, make the changes, and then save it. Very smooth. This app does get pretty deep, but it's also simple enough where anyone can pick it up and use it just fine. This is a 2-pack multicolor kit and it sells for $70. The 2-pack daylight kit retails for $40. You can also pick up individual bulbs if you already have a hub, or just $10 for a standard white smart bulb. And if you look at other bulbs in the market, you can definitely see that this is a really good deal and the pricing is very competitive. So there it is, guys. Hit the link down below for the most updated pricing for these bulbs, and who knows, maybe there'll be a few coupon codes down there for you to get even more savings. Anyways, guys, I'm Kevin the Tech Ninja. If you enjoyed the video, hit likes and hit subscribe. I'll holler at you guys later. Take care.